Yo. So we've made it to Malacca. It's only actually 4 hours from Singapore, but it always takes way longer than you think it's going to. Checked into our guest house, we chucked some laundry in and we're waiting for that. So we're just going to wander around for a little bit, slash go to H&M because we've seen it and I just really like H&M. A lot of people we spoke to said there's not a lot to do, like one night's enough, but I don't know, I just like walking around places like this. So we've got 2 nights here and we're just going to roll with it, enjoy it and see what there is. There's a sign somewhere in there. So this building just here behind this tree, this one here, is the oldest Dutch building in the whole of Southeast Asia. It was built in 1650s. It's now a museum. But it's really cute. I mean, I don't really know anything about Malacca, but it's interesting to see the big mix of cultures here. And this church here is another Dutch church. It was built by them. It took them 12 years to build it. Also, on a complete side note, check these things out. Oh yes. Malacca was once known as Little Venice or Venice of the East, just because it connects up China and Indonesia and India. And over here on the weekends and on Friday nights they have a night market. How beautiful is this though? So much colour on here. So there's a real mix of Dutch and Portuguese and Indian and Chinese. There's everything going on here. It's got so much history. It's a really interesting place. I was doing some Googling last night on things to do in Malacca, and one thing that popped up was this thing called the Huskatory. And basically this guy's just got loads of huskies and you can just pay a little bit that helps go towards them, and you just go in and you get to cuddle them and pet them. So we're on our way there now. Oh my god, here it is! Look, it's Fella Ginger there. Where is she? Look, that's gonna be me. So I'm a sweaty mess, but we've come to Little India for some dinner. Our friends recommended this place, and it looks like it's all going to be on a banana leaf. We ordered about 3 different things. I don't really know what they are, but these are also like 3 different curries. I don't know if they're hot or not. No, I think it's cold, so maybe they're like pickles or relishes or something. And we've also got some breads coming. Can't wait. I love Indian food. But this has got potato in it.
So good. Oh, nice.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Oh my god. This morning we're on a free walking tour of Malacca and the lady's really good. She's like just really funny. And we're going all around the place, a couple of hours, just seeing a bit of the highlights of everything. Really good walking tour. The lady was super informative. She knew so much. Well, she's a local, so of course. And we finished off with this Chinese temple. We've seen quite a bit of Malacca. It's not huge, but there's a lot packed in. But right now we're going to get some food. We're going to try some local food that the lady's saying about. We're so hungry, we haven't had breakfast, so we're kind of like not talking to each other at the moment because we don't do hangry very well. How jazzy. So these are the traditional rice balls. I can't just remember how they're made, but they're good. We've got some roast chicken and we've got some vegetables. We really need them. This is the Masjid Salat. It's known as the floating mosque because it's just above water, and I think when you get it from the side, where if you're along the beach, it literally just looks like it's floating above it. So we've come here, we're going to have a look around inside, and then we're also going to catch the sunset as well. So it's actually really simple inside. I mean, most of it's just the prayer room. Outside there's lots of really pretty glass, and just, of course, the building in general is beautiful. So it's well worth coming out here to see. It's something different. It's away from the main tourist stuff. Everyone's welcome. You just gotta be dressed properly, and they have the items here so you can do that, so you don't have to worry about that. Yeah, now I think we're gonna go to the side because there's a beach area next to it, and like a little pier thing, like a breakwater, something like that. So we can see it kind of floating and get the sunset as well.